Since the release of the iMac Pro in December of 2017, a lot of users have been having this issue with the iMac Pro just randomly shutting down while using certain applications, or some people were saying maybe it was overloaded or it was getting too hot. Whatever the issue was, it would just randomly shut down, and the error code that it would spit out didn't give much information to help you. So I've tried every possible solution I can think of or that I've read here on the forums, but this is what worked for me. This issue seemed to happen every time I used Premiere Pro or After Effects. It just randomly shut down. I could not find an answer even with the error code. The only thing I found was here on the support forums that there was this trick. So I went ahead and tried a few other things that I've done in the past. I set the time back just a few minutes, and this has worked in the past with Apple, and so I went ahead and did it. I don't know if this is actually part of the solution, but it worked for me. So go ahead and hit save here and go up to the system preferences, and you want to click on energy saver, and inside of energy saver just make sure that your display is set to never go to sleep and that prevent computer from sleeping automatically when the display is off is checked. Also make sure that put hard disk to sleep when possible and enable power nap are unchecked. Go back here and we're going to go into displays. In displays, click on night shift. Here we want to uncheck turn on until sunrise. Now I unchecked show mirroring options in the menu bar, but that's just a preference. We're going to go back to the display tab, and here you want to uncheck automatically adjust brightness. I believe these are the tricks that helped my iMac stop restarting on its own. But we want to make sure to go back in here to the time and date, and we're going to go ahead and put in our password and make sure we turn on our automatic time zone settings. So choose the time server that you want, click the lock again to save your settings, and restart it, and hopefully that will fix it for you. It fixed it for me. I haven't had a single issue now for going on a week while still using Premiere Pro and After Effects. Hopefully this helps someone.